Hello everyone. So we are here at SMDC Gold Residences. So this is our reso. This is the residential office right here. And this is our phase 1. So this is the construction update for phase 1. We have the Tower A, B, and C. So sa Tower A, ang percentage of construction is now at 84%. And then sa Tower B, it's 82%. And Tower C, it's 91%. So talagang mas malapit lang ma-turn over si Tower C. So sa mga gustong bumili ng property at gusto nang mag-move in, Tower C is the best tower for you. Right? And here, we have the phase 2 na naman. So punta tayo dito sa phase 2. We have here the Tower D, Tower E, F, G, and H. So this is the current construction status with Tower D, 61%, with Tower E, 46%, Tower F, 45%, Tower G, 44%, and Tower H, 43%. So overall, phase 2 is at 48%. So ayan, so may progress din yung phase 2 natin dito sa Gold Residences. And the target completion date is 2027 next year.